Hello dear students, today we'll discuss the topic algebraic identities. The first identity is a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Let's see an examples. 103 into 107. At first we find 103 plus 107 by 2 which equal to 105. And here we 103 and 107 equal to, since we here we find 105, so here we write 105 minus 2, because 105 minus 2 equals to 103 into 105 plus 2, because 105 plus 2 equals to 107, and we use the formula a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. That is, a is 105 and b is 2. 105 minus 2 into 105 plus 2. That is a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. That is, here a is 105 square minus b is 2. That is 2 square equal to 105 square mean 11,025 minus 2 square is 4 equal to 11,021, and this is the answer. Let's see the second identity. Second identity is a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into a into c. Let's see example. Here we have to find the expanded form of these expressions. Here a is a by 4. So a plus b plus c equals to a square. A square means a by 4 whole square. That is, a square by 4 square means 16. A square by 16 plus b is minus b by 2. Minus b by 2 whole square is b square by 2 square means 4. That is, b square by 4 plus c square. C square is 1. 1 square is 1. Plus 2 into a into b. Here a is a by 4 into b is minus b by 2. So here we write minus b by 2 plus 2 into b into c. That is minus b by 2 into 1. 2 into minus b by 2 into 1 plus 2 into a into c. A is a by 4 and 1, c is 1. That is 2 into a by 4 into 1 equal to a square by 16 plus b square by 4 plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 2s are 4 plus into minus minus. So that minus a into b is ab. 2 into 2 4. 2 2 cancel. Plus into minus minus. B into 1 is b. 2 2s are 4. A into 1 is a. Plus a into 1 a by 2. And this is the final answer. And the third identity is a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Let's see example. We have to evaluate 1003 whole cube. 1003 whole cube equal to 1000 plus 3 whole cube. Here a is 1000 and b is 3, which equal to a cube. A cube is 1000 cube. 1000 cube. B cube plus b cube is b is here b is 3. That is, b cube is 3 cube plus 3 into a into b. That is, 3 into a is 1000 into b is 3 into A plus B, that is 1000 plus 3 equal to 1000 whole cube. Here we write 1 and there are 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, and 1000 cube, that is 3 into 3, which is 9. So we write 9 zeros after 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 3 cube is 27 plus 3 into 3 9 and 9 into 1000 9000 into 1000 plus 3 is 1003 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 27 plus 9 into 1003 equal to 27, 0, 9 and 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. If we add 3 numbers, then we get 1, 0, 0, 9, 0, 2, 7, 0, 2, 7, and this is the answer. Thus, today we learned 3 identities. First identity is a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Second identity is a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. And the third identity is a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Thanks for watching.